Want to try the new update on Instagram where you can shake to see a story? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add shake to reveal Instagram story. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the plus icon at the top left. Then select the background picture if you want to. Go to the sticker icon beside the AA icon. Here, tap on Frames. If it doesn't show these icons, then it means this feature isn't available yet in your device, so try updating your app. Now select the picture that you want to be revealed. You can add captions if you want to as well. Then tap Done. Now you can resize the picture or add music if you want to, then tap on your story. And it would look something like this to other people. They can either tap or shake to reveal the picture. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.